Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 matches from anywhere in the world using official free and paid streaming options. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Let's start with the free options. If you're in the United Kingdom, you can watch matches through BBC iPlayer and ITVX. If you're in Australia, you can watch all matches live and free through SBS On Demand. In Brazil, many matches are available through Cage TV on YouTube. In Belgium, viewers can use VRT and RTBF. In the Netherlands, matches are available through NOS. Now, let's look at the paid options. If you're in the United States, you can watch through Fox Sports, Fox One, YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo, and Telemundo. In Canada, you can watch through Bell Media platforms including TSN and CTV. In the Middle East, including Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Egypt, and Morocco, matches are available through beIN Sports and beIN Connect. In India, FIFA media rights are held by G, so check G's official TV channels and streaming platforms for live coverage. For viewers in Bangladesh, official coverage is available through BTV, TS Sports, Toffee, and other local broadcaster. No matter where you live, the easiest way to find the correct broadcaster is to visit the official FIFA website and check the broadcaster list for your country. You can also use the FIFA app or FIFA Plus to follow live scores, schedules, highlights, standings, and match updates. And that's it. These are the best legal ways to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 matches from anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching.